In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV as a student. If you're looking for affordable ways to stream games while managing your budget, this guide will help you find solutions. Let's get started. While YouTube TV doesn't offer a specific student discount, there are still ways to make it more budget-friendly. Start by checking if your school or university provides access to streaming services or partnerships with YouTube TV. Consider splitting the cost of a subscription with roommates or family members. YouTube TV supports up to 6 user profiles and 3 simultaneous streams, making it easy to share. You can also take advantage of YouTube TV's free trial, if available, to test the service before committing. Additionally, explore promotions or bundle deals that may reduce the cost. Once subscribed, download the YouTube TV app on your device, log in and browse channels like ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC to stream live football games. With these tips, you can enjoy the games affordably. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV as a student, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.